Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Nest devices to work with remote home control, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Google Nest devices. Locate the power adapter and plug it into a power outlet. Connect the other end of the adapter to your Google Nest device. Ensure your smartphone is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Google Home app on your smartphone. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. Tap on the plus icon in the top left corner. Select Set up device from the menu. Choose New Device to initiate the setup process. Select your home or create a new one if necessary. The app will search for nearby devices. When your Google Nest device appears, tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the device to your Wi-Fi network. Choose your preferred Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Wait for the app to verify the connection. Once connected, you will see the setup is complete notification. Tap on Continue to proceed. Customize your device settings as desired. Add your Google Nest device to a specific room for better organization. Now, it's time to enable remote control. From the app's main screen, find your device. Tap on it to access device settings. Select the gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and find the remote control option. Toggle the switch to enable remote access. If prompted, make sure to allow necessary permissions. Ensure your smartphone has the latest version of the Google Home app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.